Okay, so this is our cover page of the book. I hope you all have already seen the book. We will go down. Okay, and so now let's go down and we'll directly go to the content page. So we have these are the topics, the chapters that we are going to study this year. So your book, the whole book is classified into two parts. One is micro and the other one is macro. So the first few chapters, chapter 1, 2, 3a, 3b, 4, 5 and 6, these are all from microeconomics, and chapter 7, 8, 9 and 10, these are from macroeconomics. So we also have a glossary of economic terms, the difficult terms, then we have list of abbreviations, and you also have the references, important websites and links where you can go and study further about the topics. Okay, so now let's begin with our first chapter. Our first chapter, name of the chapter is Introduction to Microeconomics and Macroeconomics. Okay, so now let's recall what we are going to recall. We have to recall the topics that we have already studied in 11th standard. So this the concept of micro and macro we have already studied in 11th standard. I hope you remember. Um, so we have already studied micro is we have studied the definition of microeconomics by various economists, and also macroeconomics. So I hope you remember the name of the economist that we have already studied. Okay, so let's begin with our introduction. So here we will you all know that our our economics is divided into two main branches. The two main branches are microeconomics and macroeconomics. So the word the word microeconomics is taken from the Greek word which means small, millionth part, micro, M-I-K-R-O-S, micros, which means millionth part, and the term macro is taken from the Greek word macros, M-A-K-R-O-S, which means large. So these two words were coined by the Norwegian economist Ragnar Frisch of Oslo University in 1933. Okay, so he is the person Frisch. So this you should know about this econometricians. So I will just play this audio and listen to the audio carefully.
Ragnar Anton Kittel Frisch, 1895 to 1973, a Norwegian econometrician and economist, was a joint winner with Jan Tinbergen of the first Nobel Prize for Economics in 1969. He was a pioneer of econometrics application of mathematical models and statistical techniques to economic data and theories. He coined many economic terms. In an article on business cycles, Frisch was likely the first person to have referred to the study of individual firm and producer as microeconomics. Moreover, he referred to the study of the aggregate economy as macroeconomics.